Hi everyone, welcome back to Let's Talk channel. सधैँ जसो आज पनि हामी हजुरहरूलाई युजफुल हुने टपिकमा भिडियो लिएर आएका छौँ। आज फेरि हामी आइएल्समा युजफुल हुने एडभान्स इङ्ग्लिस भोकाबुलरी रिप्लेसिङ भेरीको पार्ट 2 लिएर आएका छौँ। यसको पार्ट 1 हेर्नु भएको छैन भने तल डिस्क्रिप्सन बक्सको लिङ्कमा क्लिक गर्नुहोला। Let's start. Our first word for today is fascinating, which can be used instead of saying very interesting. For example, I read a very interesting book को सट्टा I read a fascinating book भन्न सकिन्छ। त्यस्तै very open भन्नु पर्यो भने transparent भन्न सकिन्छ। For example, he was transparent with me. The next word is filthy, which can be used instead of saying very dirty. For example, the beggar's clothes are filthy. Similarly, costly or exorbitant can replace the word very expensive. For example, the bill for the dinner was exorbitant or the bill for the dinner was costly. In the similar way, effortlessly can replace the word very easily. For example, she danced gracefully and effortlessly. Likewise, gigantic or enormous can be used to replace very big. For example, she owns a gigantic house. Similarly, brilliant can be used instead of very intelligent. For example, my professor is very intelligent भन्नुको सट्टामा my professor is brilliant भन्न सकिन्छ। त्यसैगरी very scared को सट्टामा petrified or terrified भन्न सकिन्छ। For example, he is very scared of horror movies को सट्टामा he is petrified of horror movies वा he is terrified of horror movies भन्न सकिन्छ। त्यस्तै very poor भन्नु पर्यो भने destitute वा impoverished word use गर्न सकिन्छ। For example, we went to the impoverished neighborhood. त्यसैगरी very rich भन्नु पर्यो भने well off वा prosperous word use गर्न सकिन्छ। For example, the city we went was prosperous. अब एकछिन रिभिजन गरौँ है। तलको वर्डहरूको सट्टामा युज गर्न सकिने वर्डहरू याद गर्न ट्राई गर्नुहोस् है त। The words are very interesting, very open, very dirty, very expensive and very easy. तपाईहरुसँग 10 सेकेन्डको टाइम छ। अब एकचोटि एन्सरहरू हेरौँ है त। Very interesting, fascinating. Very open, transparent. Very dirty, filthy. Very expensive, costly or exorbitant. Very easy, effortless. त्यस्तै गरेर very big, very intelligent, very scared र very rich को पनि रिप्लेसिङ वर्डहरू 10 सेकेन्ड भित्र याद गर्ने ट्राई गर्नुहोस्। अब एकचोटि एन्सरहरू हेरौँ है त। Very big, gigantic or enormous. Very intelligent, brilliant. Very scared, petrified or terrified. Very rich, well off or prosperous. हजुरहरूको कतिवटा आन्सर मिल्यो कमेन्टमा मेन्सन गर्नुहोला। यदि कुनै सजेसन छ भने वा कुनै टपिकमा भिडियो चाहनुहुन्छ भने पनि कमेन्ट गरिदिनुहोला। भिडियो मन परेमा लाइक, शेयर र सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनुहोला। टेक केयर, थ्यांक यू।